Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a Telegram link to your Instagram bio, so your followers can easily connect with you or join your channel with just one tap. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully clickable Telegram link right in your Instagram profile, making it simple for people to discover and join your Telegram from Instagram. Let's dive in and make your online presence even more powerful. First, we need to get your unique Telegram link. This link is what you'll share on Instagram, and it's super important that it's connected to a public username, otherwise people won't be able to find you. If you're not sure whether you have a public username set up on Telegram, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, head over to the Settings tab. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Now you should see your username listed. Sometimes, especially if you're on iOS, you'll need to tap Edit first to see or change your username. If you haven't picked a username before, Telegram will prompt you to choose one. Try using your real name or something recognizable, since this is part of your link. Once your username is set, you'll notice Telegram automatically generates a link in the format t.me/your-username. This is your direct Telegram URL. Just tap on this link and Telegram will copy it to your clipboard, easy as that. If you're setting up a Telegram channel, group, or even a bot instead of a personal profile, you can grab the public link by opening the chat, tapping the info page, where you see the name and details of the chat, and you'll spot the public TME link there as well. Again, just tap to copy. Now it's time to add this link to your Instagram bio. Instagram recently updated its profile options and now lets you add up to 5 external links. This is a game changer, not only for promoting Telegram, but for any other platform you want your followers to check out. So grab your mobile device and open the Instagram app. Navigate to your profile page. Just tap that little profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, tap the Edit Profile button, which is right at the top. Look for the section labeled Links and tap on it. You'll see an option to add external link. Tap that and a form will pop up. Paste your copied Telegram link into the URL field. Take an extra moment here just to double check that there are no accidental spaces or typos, especially if you typed your username manually earlier. For a nice touch, you can also add a descriptive title, like "Join my Telegram channel" or "Message me on." Your followers know exactly what to expect when they tap the link. Once you've pasted the link and added your title, tap Done or the blue checkmark. Instagram might use different buttons depending on your device, but it's always a clear confirmation option. That saves your changes and you're officially done. Your Telegram link will now appear in your Instagram bio, right alongside any other links you've chosen to add. It's fully clickable, which means anyone visiting your profile can tap it and go straight to your Telegram account, group, or channel, increasing your reach and making community building a breeze. And that's all there is to it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a like. Every thumbs up helps get these tips to more creators like you. If you've got any questions, run into trouble with usernames, or want advice about linking other apps, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one to make your social media shine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.